Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Yak-38 and how to use it, and yeah, just pretty much the basic of what it is. Let's get right into the video. Now the missiles it gets are R60s, not R60Ms or anything, so they're only rear aspect. The air-to-ground, it's the KH-27Ms or whatever they're called. Those are quite good. So if you do an air-to-ground at 9.3 or 9.7, whichever this is at air-to-ground, I recommend using those and R60s. Or cannons if you're that type of guy. But nothing else on the Yak-38 is really that good at air-to-ground, except from the cannons, maybe against open tops. The Yak-38 is VTOL, so to take off you press D-pad left and up with the on the right joystick of the Xbox controller. I don't know any other controls, but yep, if you do that upwards, it'll make it downwards. Sorry, it will make it go down, and upwards it will make the VTOL go down. You want to slowly, once you get a bit of height, slowly release it, and then that should hopefully make you go airborne. Don't do what I just did and just instantly drop it. Just slowly release it from 100 to 80, then 60, then 50, then 40, then 30, 20, 10. You know what I mean? So we're going to test out the cannons over here. Right, here we go. Zoom in. Zoom in is to click X. To fire is hold RT, and yeah. So they're pretty good. The cannons, they can go up against some decent targets, but don't expect them to kill an Abrams from frontal attack. They might be able to from top down, but I don't know. I've not hit an Abrams from top down yet, unfortunately, because, well, I don't take this thing at 9, 7 or 3 in ground realistic battles. But here I'm just going to quickly fly to the target. Right, so you want to get like behind the target, side on. Like, you can possibly get side on if it's a high heat seeking target, but we're just going to do it, and let's test out the 30Gs. Yeah, it's a pretty good missile. Well, can be sometimes. Let's fire another. And boom. Yeah, they can be sometimes, but like I said, just it all depends on if they are, working, if Russian biases continued or not. We'll give them a bit of a spur of the guns here. Yeah, not the best with the guns. Almost random. Right. Oh, there we go. We got the kill. So I think we are going to do our outro now. So thank you very much for watching. This was a video of how to use the Yak-38 and whatever. If you've got any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. And yeah, please like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot, and I'm trying to get this boosted up so then we can get more questions, so then I can help you more out and stuff. Oh. Don't ask, guys. I'm not the best at landing VTOL. So, yep, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.